In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve member requests in Skool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find pending requests, how to review them quickly, and the right action to take. Approve, decline, or delete based on your community standards. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Skool. When the results load, click the official Skool website. If you're ever unsure, double-check that the URL looks correct before you sign in. This helps you avoid any lookalike sites. Next, log into your account. Make sure you're using an account with the proper permissions to manage members in your community. If you don't see the options shown in this video, you may need admin or moderator access. Once you're in, head to your community. When you have a pending membership request, you'll see it highlighted right inside the Community tab, just below the field where you would normally create a post. This is a convenient spot for quick reviews because it keeps membership actions close to your daily workflow. Click the request to open its details. You can also access pending requests from notifications. Look for the notifications icon at the top of the page. If you prefer working from alerts, click the notification related to the member request to jump directly to it. Both paths take you to the same decision screen, so use whichever is faster for you. Before you take action, verify the requester. Check their profile image and name to make sure they look legitimate and familiar, if that's relevant for your group. If your community has specific entry criteria, use this moment to confirm they match what you're looking for. A quick pause here can save moderation time later. If everything looks good, click Approve. Approval grants them access immediately, allowing them to see your content and participate according to your community settings. If you see an option to delete the request entirely, perhaps if it's a duplicate or clearly spam, choose Delete, and when the confirmation pop-up appears, click Delete again to permanently remove it. Remember, deletion cannot be undone, so only use it when you're certain you don't want the request recorded. If the person doesn't meet your criteria, click Decline. You can choose to send a brief message explaining why. Keep it clear and respectful, and, if appropriate, let them know what they can do to qualify in the future. That's it. Locate the request in the Community tab or via notifications, verify the details, then approve, delete, or decline based on your standards. Review your requests regularly to keep your member list clean and your community experience high quality.